Hello and congratulations! Chances are if you're watching this video, you have your very own CO2 meter CM-1650 portable CO2 welding gas analyzer. To provide some perspective, the CM-1650 provides customers with advanced analysis of welding gas blends that contain 0 to 100% CO2. And this device verifies the most common gas mixtures in the industry while setting the main targets for verification. Plus, this device is the only device that meets the accuracy standards by the AWS. Now today we are going to show a bit of unboxing for the device for each individual to have a visual representation of the product's components. In addition, we will further be going over how to successfully operate and configure the settings in the CM-1650 YouTube playlist. If you're interested, please keep on watching. Now to begin the unboxing, with each purchase of a CM-1650, you will gain one CM-1650 with 3 included lithium-ion batteries that are pre-installed, one tubing set, two particulate matter filters, 2 barb fittings for easy connection, 2 hydrophobic filters, 1 water trap, 1 16GB SD card and 1 SD card adapter, and last but not least, 1 very important flow regulator and adapter. Now, if you have all the components I just reviewed, which you should, you are almost ready to begin analysis. For further demonstration of operation or configuration of settings, please refer back to the CM-1650 playlist. Thanks for watching!